Hey guys, I'm back with an actual unboxing video this time. It's a real item. Yeah, I got this at the Dollar Tree, and I got it as a 2-for deal. 2 for 2 to be specific. Yes, because everything in there can be a 2 for $2 deal, or 2 for the price of 2. Anyway. Yeah, it's called Tarragon Noir. Of course, it's a very, very nice. Actually, really does smell pretty good. It's a very nice smelling cologne, and of course, it's for men. And the packaging. I love the packaging. It's really nice. Shiny. I like the dragon that's on there. It's pretty sweet. And on the back, you have several warnings in different languages. And yeah, the lighting is kind of reflecting off of it too well. It's a very reflective box. Anyway. Yeah, I guess let's get to the opening of it. I opened one before, so it's a pretty nice packaging. It's got this red in there. Holds it in there with that little, cardboard insert type of thing. Dollar Tree brand. Anyway. This lid, for some reason, does not want to stay on, even though it is basically the same one that I already have, and the other one, hey, there we go. No? Well, the other one stays on perfectly well. Anyway, it's got the Tarragon Noir writing on it, and it's got some other weird, I can't even tell what these are. Just kind of some decorations there. Anyway, it's a very nice looking bottle. And it doesn't really say that it's an off-brand of anything. Like they're... when you go to the Dollar Tree and you see the colognes and the perfumes, and they always have an off-brand, it's their version of blah blah blah. Well, this one doesn't seem to have that on their box. So I think that this is their own, whatever company made this, European something, rather. I think that this is their own specific brand or something. It's very nice though. It's very nice smelling. Anyway, yeah, I'm doing this video as a kind of like as a thing. I wanted to do something for the date, which is 10/11/12. And of course we won't have this for another 1,000 years. Well, almost another 1,000 years. In 2103, another 100 years, sorry. Not bad. Anyway, in another 100 years. In 2103, we'll have 1, 2, 3, but most of us probably will not be alive by then. I'm pretty sure I won't. And that's if we don't blow ourselves up in the process of that. So, yeah, just wanted to make this a little video, an actual one.